homeless feline got stuck on a telephone pole for...
I believe I can fly.
Kitty's gonna love when I bring food to him. Kitty, I brought food for you, okay? Why are you so mean to me, Kitty? Just shut up. Stop! What the fuck are you doing?
She's really mad.
How to tell when your cat's eating too much.
You full, buddy?
Bro, I don't like the way you looking at me. Why you looking at me like that? Why you looking at me like that? Why you looking at me like that? Oh shit!
This is Cal. Say hi, Cal.
What? How are you doing this? I ever told you how beautiful you are? Ah!
Keep looking at me, I'm gonna put you in the fucking ground, I promise you.
I will fucking destroy you. Make it my mission in life.
Hey, I got your... Again?
All these G's poppin' pussy. I'm just poppin'.